Hello US, how you guys doing today? I'm Dr. Stephen Akintayo. So I built my real estate empire starting 16 years ago as a property broker and as a bulk SMS digital marketing consultant, right? So we started 16 years ago. Now, 9 years later, I went into property investment and development. Today, we've built over $100,000 or $100 million real estate portfolio that are under our management in Dubai, Nigeria, different African countries, UK and US. And I want to be sharing with you how to build your real estate empire. I'm going to be opening you up to 7 different real estate investment opportunities that you can take advantage of here in the US. We're going to be practically looking into how to raise capital for your real estate deals. I myself will be interested in funding your deals. It will be a great event you don't want to miss for anything. And I can assure you, it's 100% money back guaranteed. So after the class, you think it's not worth it, just ask me for your money and I'm refunding it to you. That's how sure I am of the value you're going to get. So you can travel from anywhere, but it's going to be holding in Houston. Now, the last day, we'll be doing a practical session where we'll go to my site and I'll be showing you what we're doing in some of our properties in Houston. I'm in Times Square, of course, but it will be happening in Houston. So the venue is JW Marriott, Houston, Texas. We'll have a 50% discount and it's going to be an opportunity for you. And it's for everyone, right? Whether you've already started real estate but you're struggling to see the money. I've seen a lot of people say they're into real estate, but I say, okay, so what are your numbers? And at that point, there's a problem. Or you are a novice, you've never even done this before, you're quite new. It's also for you. So, and I assure you, it's going to be great. The fee include dinner as well as your certificate of participation from me. And of course, the practical session, we're going to be visiting one of our sites and break down some things for you at the practical level. Okay, so quickly go register so that you can get the early bird ticket, and I cannot wait to see you in class. It's going to be a life-changing opportunity, the Houston Real Estate Investment Masterclass. Okay, amazing. And what we're going to be teaching is applicable anywhere in the US. You can also be part of it virtually. So I can't wait to see you. It promises to be a great time. I love you all. God bless you. See you in class. Bye bye.